The Journey of a Baby Eagle. Hi there, well, I guess I'm an egg right now, but not for long. It's kind of cozy in here, but I think it's time to see what's outside. Here goes. Crack! Crack! Phew, hatching is hard work! Wow, it's bright out here. And look at those big birds. Oh, they're my parents. Everything looks so big from up here in the nest. Yum. Fish for dinner again. I'm getting bigger every day. My feathers are growing in. I wonder what they're for. Mom and Dad make flying look so easy. I wish I could do that. They soar so high, almost touching the clouds. I'm getting braver now. I like to stand on the edge of the nest. The wind ruffles my feathers. It feels nice. Today's the day. I'm going to try to fly. My heart's beating so fast. I'm a little scared, but excited too. Here goes nothing. Whoa, I'm doing it. I'm flying.
Hey there, high flyer. Welcome to the Big Blue.
The world looks so different from up here. I can't wait to explore. Flying is tiring though. Time to head back to the nest for a rest. Each day, I fly a little further, a little higher. I'm not a baby anymore. I'm a real eagle now. I can catch my own fish and soar with the wind. And that's how I grew up. Pretty cool, huh? Maybe one day I'll have my own nest. The end.